Hey guys, I got a little stash ad update today, and I thought I'd show you a little progress on the Jolly Roger kit. I got first coat on the squid, or the octopus. Gotta do the second coat, do his eyes, and then clear coat him so he's nice and shiny. But I bought this. Tamiya Ducati from $1983. Is that right? Let me get my knife. We got our instructions. Looks like it'll be a pretty fun build with wiring the engine and everything. Our decals. Here's our tires, our hoses, our metal springs, our pins. I'm not going to open any of that because I don't want to lose any of it. Here's our clear parts. I'm going to put that back in the bag because I don't want it to get ruined. Here's our fairing, our rims, our fenders, gas tank. Not a lot to this kit, really. Here's our chrome tree, our exhaust, side covers, our headlight. There's that. Here we got our frame. engine parts, fender, like for the disc brakes, the chain, cylinder heads, carburetors, parts of the handlebars. Guessing those are the front forks. Yeah. Can't wait to build this whole kit. And being a Tamiya kit should go together pretty easy, I would hope. And for being as old as it is, everything was still sealed in plastic until I opened it. I didn't know it would have springs and hoses and all that. Fuel lines. That'll be fun. Lots of detail. Can't wait. Yeah, so that is the 1983 Tamiya Ducati. Which I'll be starting on as soon as I finish this up. Just got to get second coat on here, do the eyes, shine it, get the skeleton painted up, and this will be done. Can't wait. But you guys all have a good one. Hopefully I earned your like on this video. If you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Other than that, you guys all have a great rest of your Wednesday. Take care.